Tripolar technology uses third-generation radiofrequency to induce natural healing processes that deliver body shaping and skin tightening. Tripolar technology, volumetric RF heating for immediate and long-term visible results. The clinically proven technology employs an innovative tripolar mode of operation. The targeted and volumetric heating from within reaches deeper and covers a broader area of tissue. In facial treatments, the controlled thermal effect is both immediate by contracting collagen fibers and long-term by stimulating fibroblasts to naturally increase the production of collagen, elastin, and hyaluronic acid for a tighter and younger skin. In body treatments, effective RF heating causes the fat cells to secrete fatty acids without destroying them, leading to circumference and cellulite reduction. Tripolar achieves best results when combined with our proprietary dynamic muscle activation technology. The clinically proven results include firmer, tighter, smoother skin, and a better contoured younger appearance. Pollogen, technology that works for you.